Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, I am moving. Yes, that is true. I'm moving out of my parents' house into Manhattan. I'm so excited. I'm taking you guys along with me for the journey. Clearly, there's a lot more to pack, so let's head inside. Okay, so I'm on my porch now. We have some boxes over here. We have more boxes over here. And then guess what? We have even more boxes over here. Now let's just talk. I know that intro is super hype, but today I feel like it's gonna be full of all the emotions. There's gonna be excitement. There's gonna be emotion, like a little bit of sadness and like bittersweet. There's gonna be stress. There's gonna be everything. I feel like this video is really gonna take you deep into my personal life and this personal big life moment. So we'll be having all the emotions today. Okay, the first emotion is just gonna be tiredness probably because we gotta lug this all into the car. These boxes are very heavy. Okay, so you're probably wondering, Eitan, are you moving all alone? The answer is no. It's just a busy Sunday morning here. So my family obviously helped me pack all of this. They have some doctor's appointments this morning, different things going on, but throughout the day they'll be helping me. I will have help. It's not all on me, don't worry. Also, I'm sure you're wondering why on earth I am moving, which is a good question. I'll be talking about that while we are on the way to the city. We'll have a little chat in the car. All right, now it's time to remove this ridiculous TV that I don't really use, that I got myself when the pandemic started and all my friends left. So I had something to do and I ended up not really using it, but it will be great in the apartment, so I'm gonna take it with me. The goal is for this not to break in transport, so that's what we're gonna try to not do. We do not want it to break. This is kind of like a puzzle. Once we get all the pieces to work, this will work, but until then, we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so I have a lot more space than we initially thought, which means that all these cookbooks, which I thought I wouldn't have a chance to bring for a few weeks, I'm actually going to be bringing today. And as you see, I have quite a large cookbook collection, so first just moving them down, and then my mom's gonna help pack them. She just can't reach all the way up here, so, well, I really have a lot of stuff. As you can see, I take very good care of my cookbooks. You know what, if a cookbook isn't like worn in, then do you really use it? So that's my theory, but you know what? I'll just place it down nicely. Okay, so part of unpacking my whole life and bringing it to the new apartment is I'm finding a lot of things that I do not remember I have. So check this out. This is the New York Times from August 3rd, 2020. And oh snap, your boy is quoted on the top of the page. It says, for many kids, politics feels very distant. This might be the first time it hits home. That was talking about the TikTok ban. All right, now one thing about this move is, of course, I'm only moving like 20 minutes away into the city. I live in New Jersey, so I'm still gonna be coming home a few times a week probably, or not a few times a week, but I don't know, my mom probably wants me coming home a few times a week. I'll probably come home once or twice a week. So I still wanna be able to like live here. I'm gonna keep like stuff here, but almost everything is going to the apartment, including my cookbooks. All right, so now over here I have some garment bags, and now I figured let's just address the elephant in the room right away. A few months ago, I bought myself my first car. It is quite a fun car. I got myself the Tesla Model X. I have not posted this yet, because obviously the teenager in me, would want to post like a cool picture, like with the doors up and front wearing a cool outfit. But the pandemic has hit a lot of people really hard. It's obviously hit my family really hard. And I figured it was not the time to flex a cool car. But I feel like you're gonna see in this video, so I had to address it. This is my car, and I'm super grateful, both this car and the apartment that I'm renting. Without your guys' support, this would not be possible. So didn't want to flex this, but I mean, I just wanted to address it, I feel like it's not the time to flex a cool car, but even though I'm very grateful for it and I do love it, and the doors are very fun. Okay, let's keep going. There's a lot more to pack. Let's now throw back to some footage of me at the restaurant supply store when I bought all my new kitchen equipment for my brand new kitchen. All right, it is now time to start shopping for the whole kitchen. I have to make an entire kitchen. So we're at this Winn Depot, so let's see what we can find. All right, you can see my cart is filling up. Keep looking around. We might need another cart because This is not even half of it. All right, one thing very important for the kitchen is very large cutting boards. So, nope, no, oh. You know what? I'm just gonna carry it. Let's go. All right, now it is time to load in the car. I'm not sure how I'm gonna fit all this, but I guess we will figure out. Okay, these boards, look at this. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Oh my God, we're right away. Okay. All right, we got some of the equipment. We have a lot more to get, but all right, this is definitely a good start. All right, I'm now in the car driving to the city. It is about like a 30-minute drive. Benefit of living in New Jersey is we are very close to the city. And the other benefit of this car is it drives itself. So right now I'm driving just because I'm getting in the tolls area and I get a little nervous for that. But I just want to take a little second to kind of talk about this whole move. I'm sure to many of you this will be like shocking, like Eitan, why are you moving out? Now, let me explain. So, as you guys know, I create lots of videos. I'm always filming videos for my socials, for YouTube, for Facebook, for Instagram, for TikTok, Snapchat, all the things. And I filmed that all out of my parents' home. Love my parents, they love me, but let's just be honest, I'm annoying. I'm constantly filming, constantly shushing my family. So I've been looking for a long time of a place to not only live in, but also work out of because there's just so many videos to film and it's just not practical for me to keep filming in my house. It's a house. I treat the house like a studio, but of course there's times where I have to be quiet because my family needs to make noise, where my family needs to be quiet. So for many, many reasons, it just simplified all of our lives for me to find a place. So that is why I'm moving. All right, sorry to interrupt that fun New York montage, but I feel like in my mind, every time I drive in the city, I hear the Alicia Keys and like Jay-Z song, Empire State of Mind. So even though we're gonna use other music for copyright reasons, just imagine in your head that that's what the music is playing, because that's what music's playing in my mind right now. Okay, one cool part of the car is I'm now putting on autopilot. So my car is now driving itself. Obviously I have to stay pay attention and keep my hands by the wheel, but as you see, watch, no hands, and it's gonna do this big turn over here. This car is basically just one big toy. Like, look, see the wheels turning on its own? It is so much fun. I am very grateful for this car. Now, let's talk about one other thing I wanted to just address before we get in there. Little warning. There's no really like way to say this other than that the apartment is very large. So I want to just address that so you're not like, whoa, what on earth just happened? I have a lot of really big projects. I need a really big space. It's very massive. I am very grateful to have the ability to move into here, and I really need it as a workspace. I'm grateful that I was able to move in here. My parents aren't paying for this. This is all self-funded by Eitan Bernath brand. So again, like the car, I'm very grateful for all of your love and support because I would not be able to do these things without you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And now we're just gonna admire the view. It's so weird, like I'm used to living in Jersey. It hasn't really processed in my head that like I'm moving out of my childhood home into my first apartment. Like I will never have my primary residence being my house anymore. I feel like I'm not emotional now, but I definitely will be later. All right, welcome to my new crib for the next 6 months. So we are in the entrance hallway over here. Then right when we get inside, we have the bathroom. This is where like the guest bathroom. Then we walk in over here and this is a guest bedroom. This is the first bedroom. This is where I'll have my friends over, anything like that. They can stay here. And then, are you ready for the big part? This massive loft over here. We have this beautiful kitchen. This is just super quick, just to show you guys the apartment. Basically, we have the kitchen here. I'm gonna do a more thorough tour later. We have the dining room table here, bookshelves. This is gonna be where I'm gonna do my food photography. It's gonna be a whole different set set up here. It is massive. I'm gonna have to address the echo. Then, if we wanna come upstairs, upstairs is my bedroom. All right, here is my bedroom. This is where I will be sleeping. This is the master bedroom. Tons of closet space. So you already know you're gonna get a lot of fashion content because I need to buy clothes to fill up all of these insane closets. Then of course, we also have finally the master bathroom over here. And you can see my cameraman, Adrian. Hello. So that's kind of the tour. Now we are going to now run back down and it is now time to fill up this apartment with all my stuff. We can get a nice top-down view over here. And yeah, I mean, it is very overwhelming, but I can assure you every inch of space will be used in here for production of videos for you to enjoy. All right, let's head back downstairs. It's time to load all my stuff into the apartment. Let's go. I'm definitely gonna fall down these stairs one time. I already know it. Okay, as you've seen in that little montage, we are now unpacking all of my stuff. There's a lot of stuff. Come over here. This is the kitchen. You guys will be seeing a lot more of this. So there's just so much stuff. Like I just bought a whole kitchen's worth of stuff. So we have our plates and bowls. We have more cups, and I'm literally just like running around like a chicken without a head because it is so overwhelming. There's so much going on. But one of the reasons I had to move into this apartment is because I have a lot of shoots going on. This week I have at least 2 to 3 shoots. So this entire place needs to be ready and fully operational by tomorrow morning. So we have to have everything set up, but we have a good team helping us, and I'm determined. And we got Yoni in the back. We got my friend Caleb, got Rachel, we got tons of people. So we are gonna get this done, and you guys are coming along with us. Okay, I don't even know what to do. There's so much to do. There's like so much to do that I don't know what to do. That's the current problem. Let me show you guys the situation. So obviously since you last saw me, there's a lot going on. We moved the whole couch. This is kind of what I'm thinking in terms of setup. This is kind of entertainment center, chilling over here, watching TV. It's great. Here is one of the parts of production. So over here, I have these different stands, as you see, and I'm gonna have a camera permanently set up here to do my food photography. Over here are some 2 big lights. This will be for videos in the kitchen. Then there's gonna be a table here to do the photos on. Then here are all my props. So I definitely did not get enough shelvings, but I'll be getting more shelves. All my props will be here, and basically this is just gonna be a photography super center. That's what I'm thinking for here, and I don't know, it's like a big mess, kind of overwhelming. We're gonna keep getting ready. What are we getting ready for? Just for this to be clean, that's the goal. Cleanliness. Okay, I was just texting my landlord. As you can see, we're mostly done in here. And she mentioned going to the roof. And I know that they happen to own the roof, the people that own this apartment. If I get the full roof, that is gonna be, get ready for the Instagram pictures taken on that roof. Got the keys, I'm gonna go try to find the roof. Okay, let's just check it out. Nothing too interesting yet. All right, let's try to see some cool view of the city. Wow. All right, that was cool. I'm not 100% sure I'm supposed to be up here, so we're gonna go back down, but definitely quite the view. All right, so everyone is now heading home, the people who helped me, and as you see, there's still quite a lot of mess. We're gonna be doing a little bit more work. I have one more person staying to help me, and literally, I needed this place like a week ago. Like, I already literally have 3 to 4 shoots this week. YouTube videos, Facebook videos, other secret videos, so much going on. I cannot wait for you guys to see all the awesome things in the works. I can't wait to like get to know the space more. You guys are gonna get to know the space more, and this is like at Eitan Studios 2.0. I am so unbelievably excited. As I said, I'm so grateful for all your love and support. It makes literally this place possible. So thank you so much for that. And I can't wait to cook here. I'm just like so excited. All of the emotions. Thank you for coming along with me today. I feel like you guys got like a full like new personal insight into my life. A lot of things I haven't shared yet. So there you go. Now you know. I cannot wait. I'll be posting 2 videos per week here on YouTube. I know we say that I do that. I never do. This year, trust me, I'll be doing 2 videos per week. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. Comment down below what is your favorite part of the video, and hit the big red subscribe button. It's big, it's red, it's free to click, and you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. We are 104,000 subscribers strong, so join the family. All right, if you need me, I'm going to be doing what I've been doing the rest of the day, figuring out where to put all this stuff. Bye.